Well, today was a little bit of an improvement over yesterday. Temperatures were a little warmer. They climbed back into the 60s. We saw a smidgen of sunshine, and it's not raining right now. And that is certainly good news. And I think we're on a dry trend now. 13 weather ball, though, is blue. Back to cooler weather in view as we head into Friday. And this view brought to you by the great folks at your West Michigan Ace hardware stores. Temperatures were in the 50s at this time yesterday. We climbed up into the mid 60s out at the airport. We forecast 63. That's within 3 degrees, and now 4 days in a row with your 3-degree guarantee. Coming up here tomorrow, dry, cooler weather back into the 50s. Tomorrow night into Saturday morning, there's some frost possible off to the north. We'll have to watch out for that. And a lot of high clouds on Saturday as the next system approaches. We'll be up around 60, so that's a little better than tomorrow's 50s. Some showers Saturday evening and overnight, but they'll all be done by Sunday. The skies will clear. It'll be dry, milder up into the 60s. But much of next week is going to be on the cooler than average side. Tonight, we're going to drop down to 45 as skies become partly cloudy, and we'll see partly to mostly cloudy conditions in the afternoon. The winds will be out of the northeast tomorrow, and those northeast winds will draw down that cooler air. But right now, 13 on your sidelines forecast looking good. Partly to mostly cloudy skies. It'll feel like the 40s throughout the game, but at least, unlike last week, it will be dry. With all the rain around over the past 15 to 30 days, our lake levels are back up. Normally, this is the time of year when they fall, but we went up 1 inch last month, 16 inches higher than last year. That's because of all of the water in the lakes, and that means we got a lot of beach erosion and less beach, 31 inches above the long-term average. But no rain right now, just some clouds. They're starting to break up a little bit. There are lots of clouds back to our west, and it's going to be tough to get rid of those until very late tonight, and then they'll reform during the afternoon tomorrow. But at least the cold front that brought all the rain is now moving away from us, as is that low pressure system. Clouds, watch them kind of fall apart here over the next several hours. Still a chance of a sprinkle of rain, but by early tomorrow morning, partly cloudy skies, mostly cloudy inland, and those clouds will thicken up throughout the afternoon, and then as the sun goes down, we'll start to lose some of those. So that's the reason why we'll get a threat of some frost here later on tomorrow night. Skies will be mostly clear to partly cloudy, and then the high clouds start to come in later in the day on Saturday. No real chance of any rain until evening. Might be some light rain moving in around 5 o'clock up into the northwest counties, and most areas will see some rain Saturday night before it ends early on Sunday. Forecast then for tomorrow, we'll go partly cloudy here at the lakeshore. A lot more sunshine tomorrow. Winds will be lighter out of the northeast. Highs will be in the mid-50s. That is all. Up north, you can expect temperatures under partly to mostly cloudy skies to be in the mid-50s. And from Grand Rapids southward, we're looking at readings again in the mid-50s. Not much difference across the region with a much lighter wind again out of the east and northeast. 13 on your side forecast. Coolest day out of the next 3 will be Friday, jumping to 60 on Saturday before the late evening showers move on through. They'll all be done before daybreak on Sunday, and we jump to 64. We'll cool off again to 58 Monday, a chance of frost again Tuesday morning, especially up north, highs near 60. You can see our average high is 66. We'll exceed that Wednesday and Thursday of next week. Next Thursday night through the middle of the day on Friday, that's the following week. I think we got some rain and then cooler but dry weather for the following weekend. Again, fall is definitely here.
Yep. Thank you very much, George.